Welcome to Pink Caddy Garage. Today we're just doing a little preview video on a new diagnostic scanner that I bought from a company called YOUCANIC. I already do have a couple of diagnostic scanners, but the reason that I had to order a third one is because we've got a 2013 Kia Sorento that you've probably seen some videos on for the channel. It had an ABS sensor light and a traction control light, descent control, anyway, all the lights that pretty much point to a speed sensor, but we couldn't figure out, was it a speed sensor or a hub, and what was the position. The other scanners that I have, none of them would read the code or even show that there was a code, which was kind of puzzling, but I was batting zero there. So I ordered this one, and here's what's in the box, just by the way. Too late for an unboxing video because I've already used it. But you get basically this touchscreen unit, which we'll show in a later video, just how to use this. And then you get a wireless Bluetooth diagnostic that you plug into your diagnostic port. And then I ordered the optional bore scope or video scope, whatever you call these cameras, that you can stick in areas that like your spark plug holes in the bores and down in the manifolds and things like that, to see if there's anything going on in there. So no doubt we will have a use for that in the future. But the good news is that we plugged this thing in on the Sorento. It immediately said right rear wheel speed sensor, no signal. So it pointed to the problem, which is all I needed to get that car going again and get all the dash lights turned on. We do have two now late model Mercedes in the household, and they are full of modules. And so I just for fun plugged it in to those cars to see if there were any codes. We didn't have any lights on in the dash, but it was amazing the amount of modules that this would read. And with this unit, it sounds like you can even control and activate some of the modules. And I'm not sure what all it does, but as we use this thing going forward, I'll feature that where we need to. So I reached out to the guys that make this machine and told them how happy I was, and they asked me if I would make a testimonial video. They did not supply me with this. I paid full price for it, but I will include an affiliate marketing link. If you decide you want to check it out, you can click on the link. It'll be in the description. Thanks for watching.